just suggested a song, and Hannah went, "Shouldn't we do something happy?" And it was like, have you heard our music? We haven't got anything now. There's nothing there. No, that's a joke. There is loads of positivity in our music.
Yeah, let's do me.
Okay, so then this one is positive, but what we've done is we've taken that positivity and then we've twisted it and we've ended it in a really angry, beautifully bitter way. Happy Saturday night, guys. So this is called Believe. This is off the new album, and but we changed it slightly because there's a lot of in our music, and we thought it might be a bit much, so we've calmed this one down slightly. Not forever, just for this tour, or maybe just for this week. Nothing lasts forever with us. Clearly, we write a list and don't stick to it.